We have the 520 versus the 720 for the Sony headphones. The biggest difference comes down to three things. First being the price. Price on the 520 is about $100 less than the 720. I picked this up on sale at Best Buy here in Canada for around $60. I believe you can get these now for around $160. If you get them regular price, they're over $200. So winner being priced here on the 520. Now, as you can see here from the ear pads, these ones are much smaller. These are on ear, while these ones are over the ear. So that's the second biggest difference. And then the third biggest difference is noise cancellation. The 720 has noise cancellation, the 520 does not. So those are the three biggest differences between the Sony 520 and the Sony 720N headphones.